Hello everyone, welcome to PTR's channel. Today I will explain how I've solved the case, the social network, which is the case of the round 1 of Microsoft Excel World Championship 2022. Yeah, I will not do it from the scratch because it will take a lot of time. Instead, I will explain how I have done this. And this approach, I've done a lot of TEXTJOIN to do it. So let's see what the, you can download the case from the MEWC website and go through it first before coming to this clip. I will not explain. Okay, let's start. So first of all, you will see this table. So at first, I will change the value of this from the picture to the number. So the question, it has the friendship point, which is 1 for friends and 3 for close friends. The idea is I will model it into a table. Then I will use that table to answer all the questions. So it would be good to change this one to the numbers. So I just copy to the other one, and you can do whatever. What I have done is to replace, or you can just like use the formula. Okay, so we just replace this to 1 and the yellow to 3. Then after this, we can start prepare our model. So this is the model. These are the columns that needed for the model. So the order here is not just the sequence that which columns have been constructed first. So we create the name of every one of the 50. After that, we can do all the friendship point count, total friend count, all friends, and so for the friendship point, we can just sum. Here, so we can get all the friendship points of this guy. The second one is total friend count. So instead of sum, I change to count, so we can get the number of friends. And the close friends, I use count if and count only if the number here is 3. Okay, this is all for these 3. I will just copy down the formula. The next one is the all friends. The all friends, I use the technique of the TEXTJOIN because the result would return more than 1 row, but I want to store it all in like only 1 row. So need to use the technique of the TEXTJOIN to join all of the result in 1 row and use the semicolon as the delimiter. And when I want to use the data, I will use a text split to split it into the array. So it just first we just filter this one, the network here is the name of the everyone here, and just filter. Just see who are friend of this guy and filter it out. It will come out in like horizontal. The result will be the array in the horizontal, 1 row. Then we join everything into this. And the next one, okay, so this column will have a result of all friends of this guy and combine it into, use the TEXTJOIN to make it into only 1 row. result, and one column. A single cell, yeah, should be. So the next one, we can, these two are separate. We can either do the ring 2 and ring 3 is to answer the bonus 3 to calculate the triangle. We can do this first, the close friends and friends of close friends. This to calculate the post-scene count. So for the close friends, we will use the TEXTJOIN technique, and we use the filter the name and filter only the number 3 here. And after that, we will need to know the friends of these guys here, of Delia and Kiran. So the formula is, this one is friend of close friends. So before we can start, we have to use text split to split the value here into array and look up use each name to look up their friend based on this table. And after we got the answer, just combine it back using the TEXTJOIN. And yeah, some of them may not have close friends, so we have to have something like if the close friend count is 0, so we just return the blank one, the white space. Okay, and the last one, after we got the friends of close friend, we can calculate the post-scene count. So the post-scene, we will combine all friends and friends of close friends together with the TEXTJOIN and split it into the array and put the unique function to duplicate and use the count A, all rows, to count the number of people. And the last one is a triangles count. The triangles here is to check the value of the ring 3, whether it is equal to the name, because after this one have the friend, then the ring 2 are friends of the ring 1 friends, and the ring 3 also are the friends of the ring 2 friends. So these two formula, the ring 2, sorry, I forgot to explain. The ring 2 is to extract the data from all friends and to find the friends of them. And when you do the ring 3, you can just copy from here to here to check the friend of all in the ring 2s. Okay. So when we want to count the triangles, we have to count the name in the ring 3 that is equal to the first name here. Then it means it match back, loop back to the first one. Oh, sorry, I have to copy this down, these two down first. Okay, and this one will work. Okay, that's all. This is all the model for this case. And then we will go to answer the questions. Okay, for the level 1, we can just look up the name here from the model and this one, the number E. Yeah, and to look up and see the total friend count. sorry, the number E, yeah. How many friends do the following people have? So we use that column from our model. The level 2, this one is like who comes earliest in the alphabet, but the answer will be the number, the code. Means if the answer is Aaron, we have to answer number 1. So we can see, we can get the friends here, because in our table we have the all friends, which is column I. So we can look up, use the XLOOKUP for the people's name here to look up in the table and return back the all friends value. And after we got the all friends value, we will split it and sort by alphabet here and look back the number of that guy. The next one, the level 3. How many friends do the following pairs of people have in common? So there are 2 names here. So we will look up their friends into 2 columns here. The first one, so this one is same formula here, but just change to this guy. So we get all friends of the guy number 1 and all friends of the guy number 2. And when we want to answer, we will use the text split to convert this value into array and use the VStack to union. After union, then we just check. We just do some calculation to see how many friends they have in common. At level 4, how many friends do the following pairs of people have combined? So again, we will get the all friends value of this guy into this column, and the second one, the guy number 2 in this column first, and then we do the calculation here. So we will use same here, we use a text split to split the value into the array, convert it into the array, and use the VStack to union or combine them into the one single column. And after that, we can use the unique function to deduplicate. Then we can get the unique number of friends of them. The last one, level 5. The level 5 here, it's just like to count the friends plus the friends of close friends, but not double counting. So we can just use the column triangle, post scene count in our model. So again, post scene, they are all friends combined with friends of close friends and unique it. This is the idea of doing the model and use it to answer all the questions and plus some calculation. So it's very simple here. We just look up the value of the name and get the number of post-scene counts. Okay, that's for level 5. Okay, we will go back to the bonus questions. So the first one, the question is, if each close friendship counts as 3 normal friendships, who has the most friendships? So this one, I have this trick from Excel wizard to use the XLOOKUP to get the name with the maximum number. So here we just need to find who has the most highest friendship point here, which is Kara. So if you don't want to use the formula, you can just see the maximum number here and you can copy to answer as well. And the second one is Rebecca. Which person would have their post seen by the least people? So same here, we just filter the post seen count, the minimum here, and we get the name Rebecca. Yeah, we can answer. And this one is quite a bit tricky. How many distinct triangles of friends are there in the network? This one, we have to sum all the triangle counts of everybody. The result is 642, and we have to divide by 6. The reason is because every one group of triangle will have 6 of it. It is kind of like combination of the permutation of 3. Yeah, okay, that's all. If you thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you can leave at the comment. I will make another clips to I will make another clip using the Power Query to answer this case. Thank you.